Alright, so I got this frame at a surplus store, and I bought this frame off another person off Facebook Marketplace, and these bends were created by me because something was off. But essentially when I got this, the frame was straight, and there are a lot of similarities to these frames. However, this one, obviously it was used, the buckles are broken, everything's worn. This one's brand new. You got this angle here, which is, and then you got these right here. So it's like details like these on Alice frames that you gotta watch out for. This would keep the metal away from your back when you have a pack on. This, not so much. So you can see that. See that difference right there? Crazy. So you would have to kick this in and do some metal work and all that. But even just the quality of this one, that rocks. That rocks. You can hear the clank on that one. This one's just a lot more rigid. This one, it's seen better days, I would assume. But if I'm assuming that this was actually used for something else, I would say like hiking with a pack that can withstand less than 50 pounds, because you throw on more than 50, that'll hurt you. And we're gonna do a test run with this one. So yeah, we'll check it out here after I install it. Also, I forgot to mention that this frame, it's a little messy, excuse that. This frame and shoulder straps and whatnot, they came off the FILBE pack. These come standard with it. Now, obviously, it's plastic. Not exactly ideal. Just do that real quick. So you got all these little straps, you can do all these adjustments. Sure. The problem is the flex on these is no good with packs over 50 pounds. And when you're conducting movements over 20, 30 kilometers, like, it's just not good for you. Plus, the straps that I was given are pretty worn. This is repaired right here, if you can see that. And it just, yeah, this is a shoulder killer for me. So I got a FILBE pack and I got an Alice frame. With a little bit of zip tie and ingenuity, this is gonna go in that. And we're gonna see where this goes from here. All right, so this is the final product. So I basically watched the YouTube video on how they secured all these little nicks right here. And after a couple of my guys tried this on, they love it. So we're just gonna do a field test next week and we'll see how things are from there. But yeah, we got a old frame on the new pack. It's actually brand new, it's kind of surprising. Yeah, Alice frame. I don't know whose name that is, but these straps are new. This hip belt's probably not new, but it's fine. Probably should tighten that. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.